my name's Marae and I'm undergoing the 16 weeks basic training at the Devonport Naval Base. I joined the Navy because I like the values that they stand for. I want to travel and meet new people. We're now in the second week of our basic training and so much has happened since we walked through the gate for the first time. There's no place in the Navy for illegal drugs, so first thing we did was get tested. We can expect random testing going forward.
To be in the Navy, you need to be able to swim. We've got to do this for 3 minutes.
Fortunately, the pool is heated. Unfortunately, we're fully clothed in coveralls. And great news, I passed the test. Sort of like houses in high school, BCT has two training divisions, Hercules and Leander. I've been assigned to Hercules, which took part in the Battle of River Plate.
You're not really a recruit until you've formally taken the oath. This attestation ceremony was held at the parade ground and was really special. It made us all think about the important decision we've made and how proud we were to sign the line. I know we've got a long way to go, but this ceremony made it all very real, and for some of us, it got a bit emotional. After attestation, we were welcomed onto Te Teo Moana Marae, which is known as the spiritual home of the Navy. We are now part of the Navy's whānau, which is really special. And then we had some kai.
And the best part so far? Well, there've been heaps, but take a look at this. We've got over 40 items of kit. It's been a big 2 weeks and that's only some of what we've done, but we're all dealing with the challenges really well and putting in the hard mahi to get the job done. See ya! Bye.